Kartra membership tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to create a membership website using Kartra. And I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up to their 30-day free trial period. With this free trial period, you'll be able to start selling your course or membership right away, and you can see that it is packed with a lot of features. You won't be charged any transaction fee. You can send up to 1,000 emails and you can make a sale, as you can see right there. There are so much things that you'll get access to on this free trial period. Unlimited products. You can also do funnel mapping and so on. Now to get started, once you have created your account, you will be redirected to the Kartra dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can start creating your membership right away. So we could go over to the left hand menu option and select membership. Then tap on all membership. After you have done that, you're going to tap on membership in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can select the layout that you would like to use. After you have selected a layout, you can type in your membership name, and this name will be public. So for example, I'm just going to call it test membership. After you have typed in the name, you'll tap on create. Once you have tapped on create, you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you can tap right here to change the current profile pic. So I could tap on change, then tap on the pencil, and I could upload a picture by tapping on select files, and then let's say for example I use this random thumbnail. Once it has been added, you can see right there, I'll just tap on the sticky to select it, then tap on confirm, and I can adjust it right there, then tap on confirm, and you can see it has been added. Now after you have added your profile pic, you're going to tap on contents, then you'll tap on launch builder. After selecting launch builder, you will now be able to add content to your website or to your membership, better yet. The first thing you can do is edit the sidebar. So you could pull on host and you could add it to the sidebar. Then you can select the layout that you would like to use. Let's say I would like to use this one, and you could type something in your bio. Then you will tap on save in the top right hand corner, and you can see it has been added right there. You can also add a progress bar, and all you need to do is simply pull these different elements, and once you see the line turns green, you can add it. So you can tap right here and you could add headline. You can drag and place headline. You can also add text and images, so you could set up your membership right there. Once you're finished, if you would like to add multiple pages, you're going to tap on the header section and you're going to see a green pencil in the top right hand corner. You can tap right there. Then you'll tap on add category and you could add in your next page, and then you can edit it. So you could type in the page name, so we could tap on pencil and you could change the page name, and then you'll be able to add content to that particular page, and you can continue adding multiple pages. Once you're finished editing it to your liking, you'll tap on action in the top right hand corner. From here you could tap on preview to see how it looks. After you're finished, you'll tap on save progress. So we're going to tap on save progress. Then we're going to go back. Once on your Kartra dashboard once more, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and select sales. Then you're going to tap on products. After selecting products, you're going to tap on add product in the top right hand corner. Then you're going to type in your membership name once more. So I'll type in test membership. Then you're going to tap on Kartra membership, and you can tap on select membership and you're going to select the test membership that you had created, and we'll just select standard. Then you'll tap on create. After doing this, you'll now be able to add the price that you would like to sell it for. So you can tap on pricing and you could fill in the price right here. You can also choose whether you like it to be recurring, installments, or recurring installments. You have quite a few options that you can select from. After you have set it up to your liking, you're going to tap on save, and by the way, you can see different options. So for example, if we were to go back to basic info, I want you to change it from test credit card, so you'll tap on change. After you have tapped on change, from here you can integrate your PayPal information, and this is how you'll be able to publish your website. Once you have integrated your PayPal information, then from there you'll now be able to accept payments and you can publish your membership. After adding the pricing, if we were to select pages, at the moment you can see we have 2 pages added. So these are 2 sample pages. To create pages, you'll go over to the top left hand corner and select pages, then tap on all pages, and you're going to tap on page in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you can type in your page name. So for example, I'll call this home page, so I'll type in home page right there, and we're going to select page type, and we'll select squeeze page, which will be the alternative for landing page. And this is where you'll be able to choose any one of these templates, so you can scroll down and select a template of your liking. Let's say for example this one, we'll just tap on select, then tap on create. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to the editor page. Once on the editor page, you can quickly edit all of the page to your liking by simply tapping on the section, tapping on text, and then you can edit it. You can also change the images quite quickly. Once you're finished, you'll tap on save. After you have saved it, you'll go back once more. So you'll tap on Kartra, and you're going to tap on pages, then select all pages, and you're going to tap on page once more in the top right hand corner, and you're going to create your checkout page or your landing page. Better yet, you'll be creating both pages. So you'll create a checkout page by selecting checkout pages, then you're going to select thank you page, and you're going to edit both pages. After you have edited both pages, you're going to go back into membership, and you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, tap on sales, tap on products, and you're going to select your product. So you can see it right here, test membership. You're going to select the test membership or whatever name you give your membership, and you're going to select pages, then you're going to tap on change, and from here you're going to change the page. So you will simply paste in the URL of the page that you had created earlier. So you can add in your page right here. Then for example sake, if I were to save this, and let's say I were to preview it, you can see how it looks. So this is how it would look at the moment, as you can see right there. But remember, you're going to change your page, so you would see the product page, you will see the thank you page, and you're going to see the checkout page. Now once you're finished adding the pages, you'll tap on publish, and it will now be live. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button